this, Adriel? Tell them. Crabs. And how about this? What is this? What is this? Shrimp. Okay. This. Actually, I ordered this already. I think for a birthday of my brother. Dampa Express. Ah, Daddy, that's kitchen. I think that's kitchen. Yeah. You see, guys? See how they do social distancing. Okay? I think this one, we tried this already. Yeah, I know. I ordered it for my brother. No, not yet, ha? Not yet. Okay. So, hipon sa bilao. We will go for mixed crab and shrimp. So, we will go back for an hour to pick it up. Okay naman. A restaurant because, well, we can, me and Daddy, but of course, it will not be good. So, look at her. She's serving us. And of course, ate. Put ate's plate. Okay. This is for ate. Ate. This is for ate. Okay. So, okay. So, we will do, what do you call this? Mukbang. Crabs.
The crab and the shrimp are both battered and fried.
So, it's salt and pepper. They call it salt and pepper. So, there we go. So, they fried it, Daddy? Deep fried. Okay. So,
I don't know if it was deep fried, but it was fried.
so guys, I think this is a bit of good size of crabs.
Yeah, I would pick for you. Huh?
Daddy, I think this is a good size of crabs. It's a mud crab, right? What is? The crabs is, I think it's a good size. It's a mud crab, right? So, I'm going to open. Actually, that is good in opening. That is good in opening. For me, I eat everything. Believe me, guys. For me, I eat everything.
It has a good taste because the salt and pepper is a little bit.
Salt and pepper, but I taste a little spice.
Pepper.
Ah, salt and pepper. Okay.
Mm.
So, guys, for me, I'm going to eat it. I will dip it with garlic and vinegar. Mm. Mm.
Me, I would just dip it into my mouth.
It's good. How about you, Adrian? No. That is good in opening crab.
In case you do not eat crab, surely you have, but not everybody. When you take this is like the gills, you know, like for the fish or whatever. So you have to take that off.
Okay.
And then I just
Actually, guys, we ordered there before. I think for my brother's birthday, but we ordered the fiesta, and of course, it was delivered on the other place. We not taste it, but guys, I think it's okay. For how much, Daddy?
3, 1, 3, 7, 8.
And I guess it's 3 or 4 pieces of mud crabs, right, Daddy? So it's 1, 2, Daddy, 3 or 4 pieces
6 pieces of crab.
on half.
Half.
Oh, so it's 3 full.
3 whole.
Okay. So, and the shrimp,
But you said pieces. So that's why I said.
and the shrimp is quite big. I mean, it's like a prawn, tiger prawn. It's big. It's like tempura, guys. They put it on a batter. How about this baby? And they have. Look at her. She get her own. She get her own, Daddy. Of course, guys. Oh, okay. Rice. Okay. That baby will survive na. Oh, it's kind of spicy, Daddy.
Very good.
It's good.
It's not too spicy.
You can choose from buttered or chili, sweet chili.
Sweet chili.
Yes, but that is it.
Not bad.
I really like this. This part, the pat. Whoa! Ay! The shrimp is okay. The shrimp is okay as well. They have this fiesta thing, and it is different and it's grilled. That's what we ordered for the birthday of my brother last April. But it has vegetable, it has okra, it's mussel and everything. But we're not really on that. We really like mud crab and shrimp. Right, Daddy?
Yeah.
So the baby. Oh, how about you? Sorry, it's okay. So it's really has spicy taste. And Ate Pia, while she's holding the camera, she's eating already. Wow. Look at this, guys. Daddy, open it up for me. Uy.
This is where it
Hmm? I really like it with
This is the way it should come over. It should come over.
it's really sweet inside. They said you eat crabs, you really have to have patience. What's that? Crabs. Oh, how much crab? What? You don't want?
You want shrimp?
No. Why?
Oo. It's good. I may say this. Their crab is full. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Daddy can't see anything now.
Yeah, it's full. It'd be hard for them to sell that if it ain't because it's broken open, right? Mm-hmm.
You want? Okay.
Not bad, is it?
Open for you. Wow. She wants Daddy to open. Okay. Look at her. She's eating, guys. She will survive na, guys.
Real well.
Eat it with her. I feel sleepy. I feel sleepy. And,
Daddy eat a lot.
no, Daddy loves seafood. And how about Adriel? But
She sleep.
you're sleepy too? Guys, why not that? When you eat, and then you get full, Daddy, the next thing you want to do is really to sleep.
Because your blood goes down to feet.
Oh, okay. So, I guess, we may say, how can you rate this, Daddy? I think it's good.
Yeah, it's very
I
good.
mean, yeah.
Especially if you ate it
We
there.
still have, yeah. Ah, okay, we need to wash it. Okay. Oh, wow. But can you say bye-bye? Guys, this is the after. And really cannot deny that we enjoy. Well, since the one that we ordered first for the birthday of my brother is we not taste it because we really cannot come together because that time is the start of the GCQ, so we cannot. So at least now we try it. The one that we ordered to them is the Super Bilao. I think that's the name of it, but we like this. So what we can do. Adriel? Yeah, so guys, I guess all we can say it's good. You will never really get wrong with the seafood. We love seafood, and when we see it, we eat it.
Seafood.
So Adriel, you got full? You got full? You wanna say, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel.
And hit that notification button.
Yeah, hit the yes, and say take care. Take care. Stay safe. Stay safe. Yes. Stay safe. God bless everyone. Bye. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye till our next
Bye-bye.
vlog.